Various tools and techniques are used to complete the last stages of a pair of alligator shoes. A sheep is branded for identification with a metal number template dipped in paint. An expert craftsman fastens a drum skin and trims it back with precision and ease. This painter uses bucket-sized paint screens to remove all paint chunks. Watch this creative worker etch lines into a flat wall to create a faux stone exterior. A handpiece is used to shear sheep's wool in just seconds. An airless paint sprayer is used to coat 2 exterior doors in under 10 seconds. A shower pan is buttered up with thin set and tile is laid in an angular design. A new fence is expertly cut to a unique shape with a nifty handsaw. Construction stilts are used to quickly tape up drywall seams in just seconds. Old paint is taken down to bare wood with a sandblaster connected to a compressor. A precise pour and paint template create a perfect line for a speed bump. Cement is sprayed with such high velocity that allows this worker to defy gravity. A weed whacker and lawnmower are used to neatly manicure this tiny patch of green grass. Wood floor adhesive is injected into the crack of a delaminated wood floor to stabilize it. A hand tool with a sharp blade is used to clean a window, leaving 0 streaks. Watch this worker quickly assemble a cement block driveway like a jigsaw puzzle. A floor guy coats a new wood floor using an extension pole connected to a roller pad. Farm workers collaborate with impeccable timing to form the ultimate human conveyor belt. This man uses 2 swords and a patented technique to shear Christmas trees to exact size.